Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change theme in Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Edge browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one Settings and More button in the top right corner, and in the pop-up menu select Settings. In the left sidebars of the Settings window, select Appearance. On the right, under Theme section, you can select any theme you want to apply. In case you don't love this one themes, you can click on this one Discover More Themes button. This will open Microsoft Edge Store where you can select a theme according to your choice. You can get here a lot of themes are available. Just click on this one Get button to apply the theme and then click on this one Add Theme button. The selected theme will be downloaded and applied to your Edge browser. In case you still you don't love any theme, you can click on this one link, Chrome Web Store, and you can also download a theme of your choice for your Edge browser. Just select a theme of your choice and then click on this one Get button. The particular theme will be downloaded and will be automatically applied to your Edge browser. Like this, you can install any theme on your Edge browser according to your preference.